was an intense and exciting morning for the participants of the first ever Aquathlon at Dusit Thani Mactan in Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu last Saturday, June 8, 2024. Over 200 individuals, both adults and kids, not just from Cebu but also from neighboring provinces, took part of the sports competition. The multi-sport race is a combination of swimming and running that challenged the strength and endurance of the athletes and pushed them to their limits. Categories were divided into 3, each with corresponding distances: novice, short distance, and long distance. The young participants to kick off the event definitely felt the thrill and adrenaline of the race as they paved their way through the lush garden trail of the hotel.
I just swam, training. That's like it. Shout out to my friends!
Happy. I'm happy and proud.
I pushed very hard, also the last competition. I keep pushing myself so that I can be first place.
For the overall winners of the Aquathlon 2024 for women 13 and over, Karen Manayon bagged the gold medal, Candice Marie Sosito received the silver medal, while Patrice Jada Arsenas Vergara got the bronze medal. Meanwhile, for the overall winners for the men's category 13 and over, John Michael Alimos won first place, Caron Polter Cañas and Akio Habana landed on the second and third spots respectively. Placeholders of each category and age group proudly stood on the podium. Dusit Thani's Aquathlon aims to strengthen the resort's relationship with the community by promoting health and wellness.
When I noticed that we have the development of our beach area, so that's why I implemented this kind of event. This is one of our project in the group for Dusit Thani Mactan Cebu. So what I propose, which is this kind of event, because it's a swim run competition. So it means it's because we are in the group of well-being team. So what we did, which is it's involved with this physical activities.
With the event's success, the sports competition will now be a yearly tradition at Dusit Thani.
It's great to see all these ladies, kids, seniors, adults racing as such, to be able to swim and to run as long as what they're doing today. It's really successful. Yes, it's a good opportunity to expose and show the beach of Dusit Thani and the resort itself. But again, the first priority is more on linking with the community and to give us support, not through only financial, but also offering the opportunity to use the facilities.
This has been Queenie Holigon for MyTV Cebu.